My name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka nail cover lover. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to be making a Valentine's Day set here. We're using Charlie's Nail Art nail foil transfers and iGel Beauty Jet Black, McCart Top It Off, and McCart nail foil glue. And this is from Amazon, and these are from Charlie's Nail Art, and the studs and stuff are from Amazon. And here I'm going to be using jet black, placing 2 coats, one with you half on camera, and then these are the tips I'm using here from Rofran from Amazon. And yeah, I'm going to let you watch a little bit and I'll come back when needed. Okay, my beauties, hope you enjoy. Every time you see me moving away from the camera, I am curing in my LED light for 60 seconds. Okay, here I am cutting a piece of the heart foil transfers from Charlie's Nail Art, and I will be using the McCart and placing a layer of it on the nail and curing it and then rubbing it in. These are the nail stickers I will be using, and I will see you when I need to come in. Okay, here I am placing the McCart, Top It Off. As well to this nail also. I also put some on that nail, and I am going to be placing these stickers on here, and these are, like I said, from Charlie's Nail Art. In the middle of this sticker that I'm placing here, I will be putting a dollop of top gel, and I will be placing some red gems in the middle of these, and I did receive these from Amazon. I am also adding some gems, 3 gems to the top of this nail, and also adding some caviar beads around it. I hope you are still with me, and I hope you're enjoying what you're watching. If you do, and you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit that bell, ring it, and that way you get notified of my new uploads. And yeah, leave me a comment down below. And to all my returning nail cover lovers, welcome back. This sticker here, I broke the chain off of both sides of it, but I did fix it in the end, so. Okay, here is the red and gold duo I got from Amazon, and it is the 003. I am putting it on the outsides of each nail and giving it like a hue of red over the black, and it really looks stunning in the end. So stick around for the end pictures. And I do put some red over the foil with the holographic hearts on it. I do put some red over that too, and it looks stunning. If you guys are interested in any of the items I have used in this video, give me a holler, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of what you see, and I will leave you a link. I will sure get you a link. If I can't find the exact same link, then I sure will get you one that's similar. Hey guys, we're coming to the end of the video. I am top coating everything. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the video or the pictures in the end in the next one. Bye bye.